The 2000 Ford F150. I'm replacing the Dpfe sensor, the delta pressure sensor. I'm getting a code P0401, and they say this is one of the easier. I don't think this is necessarily going to solve my problems, but it's a $10 part and it's fairly easy to fix. So I'm just going to change it while trying to get this code clear, and then I'll just know that this isn't the problem before trying to do other stuff. So this is what it looks like. There's two hoses. There's a reference and a high. So this cover comes off. There's two screws on this side and then one on that side. So you just unscrew those and pull it off. And then when you're looking, it's part of the intake system. So this is it right here, and then there's a screw there, and then a screw on the other side, and then this plug, and then there's two hoses. So on this one the hoses go this way, and then on mine they go that way. So this says reference on the front, so I'm making note of that, how it says reference on the front. So to put this front hose, make sure that I put it on the reference. So to mark the hose from the other one, I'm just gonna wipe it down, and the other one I'll just leave dirty, and then I'll know that the reference is the cleaner hose that I wiped down. I would say maybe use some brake cleaner, and just be careful with the hoses so you don't have to break the hose and have to replace the hose. Could probably put some penetrating fluid on there. And then I would recommend clearing the codes after, but it's pretty straightforward. If there's anything else that I find that I need to do while changing it, I will add that to the video. Again, this is the Dpfe sensor. Works for should be the same for most 10th generation. This is metal. The one I got, the plastic, are the one that I got, so that shouldn't be an issue. So be careful taking these plugs off. That popped right off. Alright. See if I can wiggle this hose off quick. Yeah, I'm going to need to use two hands just to be careful, but that's what you do. Dpfe sensor.